Do you need a hunger-halting meal? Then you have to try this one. Beefy chili stew. Before we get started, like and subscribe to this channel. Here's what we will need. 1 pound lean ground beef. 1 cup broth. 1 cup water. 3 tablespoons each of garlic powder, onion powder, basil, parsley, and oregano. 1 teaspoon sea salt. 3 cups tomato sauce. 15-ounce can of beans. 11-ounce can of corn. 1 chopped onion. 2 chopped peppers and carrots. Here is what we do. Wash and chop the vegetables. Put the broth and water in a pan. Put the lean ground beef in the liquid. Break up the beef into small bits. Cook covered on medium-high heat until brown. Add the oregano, basil, garlic powder, onion powder, and sea salt. Add parsley. Stir in the tomato sauce. Simmer on low heat for 10 minutes. Add the chopped vegetables. Stir and simmer for 10 minutes more. Drain and rinse the beans and add to the pot. Drain the corn and add to the pot. Cook on medium heat for 15 minutes. The beefy chili stew is ready. Enjoy! Hope you like this delicious beefy chili stew. Please like and comment on this video. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more great, easy and tasty food ideas. Thanks for watching.